How to change server in Mobile Legends. Now let's start. Now to change our server in Mobile Legends, first let's open our Mobile Legends. Changing server in Mobile Legends comes with a bit of prerequisites, so let us see what those are. Now, to change your server, first click on your profile. That's on the top right. Sorry, top left. After you click on your profile, down below there is an option called account. Click on it. After you click on your account, you will see that on the right side that there is an option called advanced server. Click on advanced server. Now there you will see the prerequisites that I was talking about. Now your account needs to be higher than level 15 and your internet connection should be stable. That is, your ping should be less than 100. Now if you meet these requisites, you will be able to enter advanced server and be able to change your server. Now I'm not above level 15, so I won't have the option to change my server. But if you are above level 15 and have your ping less than 100, there should be an option called change server right besides advanced server. So if you click on that, you will be able to change your server. So that is how you change your server in Mobile Legends, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a like.